guys, hope you're well and welcome to another new video. Today's one is really exciting to me because, as you guys know by now, I'm a huge movie fan. I love my music, so anything sound related is really exciting to me. That might sound geeky, but I don't care. So when Sennheiser got in touch and asked me if I wanted to be part of an interactive, immersive experience that they're putting on for influencers, utilising the technology which is 3D audio or binaural audio, I was very excited. I didn't really know what it meant, but I thought, sound, yes, I'm in. So it's all about this AMBEO SMART HEADSET. Create an immersive 3D audio experience with your Apple iOS mobile device. One of the first things you'll notice about the headset is that it has microphones on the left and right, and these will be picking up sound much like your ears will be. So they'll be picking up sound from behind, up, around you, and so the sound you'll end up recording on your phone as you film will also have that depth that real life has. And if something's happening behind you, you might find yourself looking behind you because it seems so real, but more of that later. So I'm going to let you rewind and meet past Soph on the day that I was vlogging. We were going on a tour bus, but she'll tell you everything you need to know. I thought today would be a really good day to vlog because I'm spending the day with Sennheiser, who are going to teach me all about 3D audio technology. What it's that, I hear you cry, and I have to say, after watching a few videos online about it, I'm still not 100% sure, but I'm hoping after a day spent with them, I'll be a bit clued up about it, and therefore I can make sure you're clued up on it too. We're meeting by the London Eye to go on a London bus tour, and while we're on the bus, we're going to be trying out their new products, their new earphones, just seeing how fabulous this 3D technology is. Particularly interesting for you guys because I know a lot of you have followed me through my music interviews and my music content, so things to do with music and sound and audio are probably going to be relevant to you. And I know there's a lot of fellow tech and gadgety geeks out there that will be into this as much as I am. The weather is a little bit grey, and I know we've got some stop-off points while we're on the tour, but hopefully it will hold up for us. Bus has arrived. Okay, that's what we're going to be on today, experiencing 3D audio. I'm here with Tristan Pulse. It's really cold, but we're going to eat, we're going to experience amazing sound, it's going to be awesome.
Structure-borne noise, you know when you're running with in-ear headphones you can get the knocking from the wire, so this will help reduce that sound interference from when you're listening to the headphones and recording the sound. So further down the wire we've got the usual third mic here, so this is for recording your voice calls. But the most important thing is on the buds itself, on the back of the buds. So this is actually the high quality microphones that record the binaural sounds. It's important, and then where to position these are. So this is positioned exactly as you would hear the sound from your own ears, obviously. So we've got stereo sound there, but it will record depth and distance as well, so you can really position where the sound's coming from. And obviously as we go through and try these out, you'll be able to really understand how that works. So here at the grey button here is called the Smart Slider. The reason it's smart is that you can choose your most important function through the app that we've got on here. So the one that's got the Apogee purple logo on there, there's a section where you can actually position what you want that button to do as a quick sort of a quick default. The default setting is at a recording level for reduce. So if you're in an environment where there's a lots of noise and you want to reduce the recording level down, then you can just flick that and it will reduce it down automatically. So
being challenged to record noises in Piccadilly Circus with our earphones, which we can then hear back, and hopefully they will capture the atmosphere of Piccadilly Circus. And luckily we picked a very noisy afternoon.
behind me and make some noises. Okay, thanks.
It's absolutely crazy the sounds you can pick up with these earphones. Like every little noise that you actually don't hear in your normal world or take notice of, you can suddenly hear. Very crisp, very obvious. So we're in a different location now, a lot quieter, a lot more serene. But there's a few cars going past. Oh! I'd forgotten what I was saying. Twist and pulse ruined my flow there, ironically. But yeah, we're in Drury Lane, which I think is like theatre town, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. I'm going to get to the job at hand and start recording some sounds around here.
Yeah, right behind that, right behind that. Ooh, let's see if you can hear that. Comment like if you heard it.
It's not really secret, everyone knows.
Just to hear them say, hey, welcome to the Hamptons, California.
One of the particularly good things about these earphones, for me specifically, is that I have real trouble with in-ear earphones. They generally don't fit inside my ear. I don't know why, I don't know what's going on there. But because this one has this kind of hook that goes over the top of your ear, like so, it just keeps it a bit more firm in place and I don't worry about it just pinging out. And so you get a really good sound because it is firmly placed in both your ears. So whether or not you're going to utilise the microphone aspect of these amazing earphones, you will still have incredible earphones in terms of the sound quality. So if you're someone like me that has to commute a lot, sit on trains, and you quite often like to watch movies or listen to music, then these will provide incredible quality sound. You'll hear that sort of production detail that sometimes you miss with not so good earphones. I like to hear all those things, like a finger going across the fretboard, maybe a little chime going on in the background, or if there's like a call and response thing happening or a choir, you hear it in the different ears. You've got all that. It really places you in a soundscape so you genuinely feel like you're there. It's almost freaky sometimes. If you're listening to something that's a bit scary or horror orientated, you'll find yourself getting a bit more goosey than normal. Now guys, you're going to have to do something. I want you to make sure you've got earphones on for this section because otherwise you really won't get the benefits or experience it to full impact. I recorded some clips that I thought would showcase how good it is at picking up sounds in the distance, sounds up close, and just really create that atmosphere. So I'm going to play some clips, but I'm going to take away the visuals so you only hear the sounds. I think this is a really good way of making you realise how important good quality sound is as well to the whole experience of audio-visual things. So let's start guessing. Notice here you can hear the thing that's really close, but you can also hear things going on in the back as well, and that's what's so great about these earphones. If you really want to capture the exact sounds that are going on all around you in that moment, it's awesome for that. Which was really relevant to me, that was brought up during the day, was that if you're out and about and you create content for a living, but you want to get people to be natural in terms of their response, perhaps you're doing Vox Pox interviews, perhaps you want your friends to act natural when you're vlogging. Sometimes if you've got like a big cumbersome microphone or just really obvious tech equipment around, people change their behaviour. This is so discreet and people will often not even realise that they're being recorded, which is a bit creepy, you might say, but it's so discreet that people are more inclined to be natural. You know, carrying expensive stuff that is very visibly expensive and very noticeable to people passing by, sometimes you feel a bit worried and anxious about what might happen because of that. So that's another good bonus point for these, for someone like me that creates content quite regularly out and about. So if you're a sound nut like me and you're interested in buying one, this is what the box looks like. I'll put all the relevant links below. I hope this has been interesting. I know tech stuff isn't for everyone, but if you have a job where tech is one of the main ingredients, or if you really appreciate good quality sound, then hopefully this will have inspired you or made you think about the things you use every day when you're consuming audio stuff. So yeah, leave comments below if you think this is an awesome product or if you're interested in buying it. Thanks for watching. See you in a video soon.